Children, it is indeed a matter of great pride, joy, and pleasure for me to be here amongst all of you. When I was asked by Mr. Darshan to come, I had a pre-engagement. But nonetheless, I postponed that and chose to be here amongst you. I'm so happy that I could postpone that and come here. Strength, stamina and sportsmanship. I could see each one of you on the track display all this with great enthusiasm, courage and conviction. Let me tell you, on two such occasions I noticed, and so did Mr. Akarshan, that the last boy in the relay, he was behind by one track, but nonetheless, in the true sportsmanship, in the spirit of true sportsmanship, he completed that round. And so, there is a lot of festivity around here. I am only reminded of my days when I used to be here on this track in the year 1977. I am a student, proud student of this school, and this school has done a lot for me. I was just telling my father that not only have I passed out from this school, but I made my son come from Delhi and join this school, and he represented the school, and not only the school but also the state of Himachal Pradesh at the national level in an open rifle shooting competition. He also went, and let me tell you, father, that Lokpal sir and Mr. Arun, they were looking after him. He was children. Let me tell you another thing, that it is not only studies which is important in life. Studies has to be with the sports. So in every field you must excel, and excel in how should you excel? In the spirit of the logo of this organization, that is yes, you must have this attitude of moving ahead, of doing the right thing and in the right way, and you must have this attitude in life. I must thank the principal for giving this organization an opportunity of arranging this inter-school competition. I must also congratulate Mr. Akarshan and every member of this organization who has taken pains. I'm just interacting with a student who has just passed out from 12th class and associated herself with this organization. Why is it that this organization is working for you children? You must know the whole idea, as Akarshan wants me to say, is that these young students, these young children who have passed out from different schools, want to experiment with you, their experiences. They want you to enjoy, and they want you to channelize your positive energies in the right direction. This is the message which I want to give to each one of you. Children, let me also tell you that you must be thankful to this organization who has given this opportunity. They are doing a phenomenal job, not only in organizing these sports events, but generally promoting the welfare of the society in every aspect of the matter. I was asking Father Anil as to whether any teachers of other schools are here or not. But he tells me that the principals are not here. Let me reiterate, Edwards, let me just reiterate the request which every child used to make on a sports day to the principal. And on your behalf, I am telling the principal, please declare a holiday tomorrow if possible. If possible. Only as a student, I am reiterating that request. And children, let me also tell you that next day, this enthusiasm which you have exhibited here would continue to flow throughout the, not only continue to flow throughout the year, but he will make sure that next year you have more number of schools and more number of participants in this event. Thank you very much, all of you.